Hi there, I'm glad to see you here. My name is Nico Nijenhuis and I will explain the Space53 Drone Acceptance Readiness tool, better known as DART. DART aims to answer questions such as what makes a drone application successful, when is your product ready for market launch, and what are the steps you can take to bring your drone application to the next level. Using DART, you gain insight into your drone technology based on so-called readiness levels for 5 critical success factors. These are the technical, social, business, legal and ethical factors. Together with the University of Twente and Saxion University of Applied Sciences, we have developed this tool to help researchers and developers assess their feasibility plans. We have developed a questionnaire for each critical success factor. Consequently, DART consists of 5 questionnaires. You can complete each one separately, and when you open the questionnaire, you will see the sub-themes at the top of your screen. DART is a comprehensive tool, and depending on the complexity of your product, it can take up to 2.5 hours to complete the entire questionnaire. Each questionnaire in itself will take up to half an hour. We strive for the most valuable and accurate outcome of the tool, and therefore as much information as possible needs to be taken into account. Don't have that much time? No problem at all. It's possible to fill in the questionnaire one by one and save your progress in the meantime. Furthermore, you can choose which questionnaire you want to start with. If specific questions are not relevant to you, then please fill in not applicable or leave it empty. For the outcome of the questionnaires, we use well-known readiness levels, which are frequently used in technological research and development. After filling in each questionnaire, the readiness level on a scale of 1 to 5 will appear. In the end, you will receive a report by email that consists of the determined levels specified by each critical success factor: the technical, social, business, ethical and legal. With this information, you know whether your product is ready to launch or in which areas you still need to make improvements. Would you like to know more about DART? Or do you have any questions regarding your outcome? Then don't hesitate to contact us by filling in the contact form on the Space53 website or by sending us an email.